What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Just here I'm doing a little mock-up where I'm trying to get this DIY bumper here fitted on the front. Took off the bonnet for a little bit so I can get a better view of what's going on, and you know, took off my slicks and have running my regular touring car tires now. I'm going to be putting the car back on the dyno, not sure yet, just here trying to do the setup. So that I put some screws here so I can just go ahead and put on this little washer, or not really washer, that nut right there, to the screws. But I'm not going to be using the screws because I already have these right here in place. So what I'm going to be doing now is that when I put on the bumper, I'm going to basically just screw it in, and everything should be going according to plan. It's not fully done yet, but by the end of this day I believe I should be able to knock it out. It's been giving me a little issue with, you know, lining things up and, you know, placement and everything like that. But you know, as you can see from this angle, you can get the idea. Normally, why most of the bodies that I do run end up not really having bumpers after a while, it's because the main reason they always, you know, end up crashing and stuff like that, so damaging the front part of the car. Just decided to just cut the bumpers off most times and run the car as is. So yeah, that is why. So as you can see the concept of where I'm going. So far it's looking good, but you know, a few little things need to button up. But you know, that's that, and you know, I hope you guys are entered into the giveaway. Again, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. At 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away an all-wheel drive RC car. Still contemplating if I should make it ready to run or give it away as is. So you know, comment down in the comments below, guys, and let me know if you would prefer the car to be an RTR car, which is ready to run, or you guys would want it as is so you can put your own setup in it. So you know, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.